Hello. Hi, good afternoon, kids. How are you all? So, today we have started with a poem in English. The name of the poem is Vocation. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Who is he? He is the person who wrote our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, correct? And he is a very, very famous poet. So he is talking about a small child. How is his thinking? Okay, this poem is about a small child who is saying about how he thinks. Now what happens daily? Look, this child now he goes to school at 10 o'clock in the morning and comes home at 4 o'clock. So the moment it is 10 o'clock, he goes out towards the school, and on the way he sees a hawker. Hawker means the person who comes and sells, na, he shouts. Here the hawker is selling bangles. So he is crying. Crying means shouting. Bangles, crystal bangles. Crystal means it is made of glass and it is shiny. Okay. So crystals, crystal bangles, bangles, crystal bangles. And he is moving around all the different lanes. And daily this child is watching that hawker. So he feels, wow, hawker is so lucky. He can go wherever he wants. He can shout as much as he wants. So he is a free man. Even I want to be a hawker. So he feels like he wants to be a hawker. Why? Because he goes anywhere. He shouts anytime. And he can do whatever he wants. He's whole day roaming here and there. That is what a small child thinks. Then when he is returning from school at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, when he reaches his home, he sees from his window there is one gardener. Daily he sees that gardener. He is digging the ground, like in the garden he is digging the soil, then cutting the plants, and his whole, you can say, the clothes are all dirty with mud. He's putting water everywhere. Himself is also getting wet, and he is giving water to the plants, and he is loving it. Wow, the child is thinking, wow, the garden is so lucky. He can play in the mud. Whole day he is in the mud and playing with water, spreading water everywhere, plugging plants, cutting plants, and no one is there to tell him anything. It's so good to be a gardener. I hope I could have been a gardener. So he also feels it's good to be a gardener. Get it? Then so, at night when he is sleeping, from his window he sees the watchman. He is always roaming here and there with a lantern in his hand. Okay, and his shadow, because of the lantern, it is dark, and because of the lantern, his shadow is falling down. And he says, no one, even the shadow is not able to stop him. And no one, at night he is roaming here and there, and there is no one who will say don't go here and there, it is night, go and sleep. Means he is so lucky, he can do whatever he wants even if it is night. He doesn't have to sleep compulsory at one time. So he said it's good to be a who, yeah, it's good to be a watchman, sorry. So actually, if we go to see what this child wants is freedom. He wants no one saying, giving orders to don't do this, do this. Like we, all the parents, they always tell to children, na, come on, get up, it is your time to go to school, brush your teeth. Now this is time to study. Then wash your hands. Don't play in rainy season out, or don't go in and don't make your clothes dirty. So these always you find parents saying all these things. But this child, he wants freedom. He don't want anyone controlling him. He wants to do whatever he wants. Correct? So he is liking gardener. He is liking watchman. He is liking the hawker, because according to him, no people, means they do what they want. No one is there to tell him don't do this or do this. Understood the poem, children? So actually, this is the foolishness of that kid, because he's a small child. He doesn't understand. Okay, whatever the parents say, they say for the betterment of the child. Correct? It is not that they are very strict and saying do this and don't do this. But the child feels it is best if no one says anything. And we can do everything if we want. Now children, you only tell me, if mother stops saying you something, okay, don't do this, don't do this, do you think you are always going to do the right thing? Will you go to school on time? Will you study on time? No. Correct. Will you sleep on time? No. Will you get up early on time? No. So parents are required, but this child is so small na, he doesn't understand all this thing. He is very innocent. So what he wants is just freedom and freedom. Okay, children? With this the poem gets over. Okay then kids, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.